Farm life. When we live on a farm, your day starts early in the morning. The alarm goes off around 4 a.m. It's way dark outside when we wake up, but the stars are pretty to look at. Some days it feels like your heart needs a jump start. My dog, Bernie, helped me wake up by licking my face. Once we get our heart going, we go downstairs and eat a big breakfast. When breakfast is over, we pick up the yard leader and head to the barn. When morning chores are finished, it's ear time. It's time for lunch. After lunch, we work with the crops until dinner. After dinner, we relax from a hard day work. When we go to bed and get ready to do it all again in the morning.